Kufungia kuku hivyo ni mzuri kwa sababu kuku asiwezi pata magonjwa huko nje. Wakati kuku zinaradarada huko nje peke yake, unajua hata predators, kuna wanyama wengine wanaweza haribu kuku, hata wezi watu wanaweza iba kuku. Kuna hii mambo ingine ya huwezi jua kuku yako wanatagia wapi. And wakati tumezifungia hivi tunajuaga tunaweza kucontrol kila kitu.
Okay, why I decided to do battery cage system is because with a small space you'll be able to accommodate a good number of the birds. If this space currently used to house 500, now it is housing 2,500. So you can see it is times 5 of what I used to have before. So that, looking at the bottom line, it is also increasing. And I'll still use the same one person, one worker and me, the two of us. The 500 I'll use one worker and me. So you see, there's a return on investment. There is a return on investment when you use the battery system.
Nafikiria vile tumeweka hizo kuku, mambo ya spacing ni mzuri. Tunaconsider the size of the hii nyumba yote, tunajua inapaswa kukua na kuku wangapi. Kwa hivyo hatuwezi overcrowd them, kwa sababu hata ukiovercrowd hasara itakuwa kwako mkulima. Kwa hivyo lazima uangalie size ya nyumba ndio ujue ile namba ya kuku utaweka ndani. So okay, kama mimi hapa hatujaiona hao maofisa, lakini madaktari wanakujaga na wanasema hiyo iko mzuri.
I know that's something that animal rights guys have raised about battery cages. But even if you look in that deep litter system, they're still enclosed. Okay, they're not going everywhere. They're still enclosed, and if it is walking, sometimes we allow, when we see one is just seated, we remove them down. We put them down. They walk around the house. So I don't know. I respect their views. Yeah, I respect their views, but giving the animals the right conditions, which I mean sunlight is there is sunlight, enough sunlight, water, quality feed.
In terms of battery cage system, it's a system that is being, people are moving away from it because of the welfare concerns around the system. And essentially there are certain things that we're looking at. Number one is battery cage systems does not allow the bird to express its naturalness. One of the 5 freedoms is actually freedom to express its natural behavior. Naturally, a chicken does certain things. One, it scratches when it's looking for food. It perches so that it can exercise its muscles. It also has a capacity to expand its wing and extend its wing as part of its stretching. It's also able to do dust bathing when they go into the dust and throw the dust onto itself, which is part of a process around which they help to cool the chicken. Yeah, so because of battery cage system, and remember battery cage system is where 3 or 5 chickens are kept in a cage that's about the size of a microwave oven. And for the rest of their life, they'd stay there. Those things that the birds should do naturally they're not able to do, as I've explained. It means the bird then goes into a place where it is a bit stressed, and a stressed animal does not produce optimally. We are not saying that the chickens must be free-ranged, and I think that also needs to come out clearly. What we are saying is that what we do not want to see is chickens being put in battery cages, because those cages have negative impacts on productivity and negative impacts on other things that I've explained, disease, etc., etc. What we are saying is that there's a production system that is not free-range, and it's not battery cage system. And one of the things that we look at, good layer farmers in this country are doing deep litter systems. And deep litter system is internationally recognized, because then the animals still have enough space. They can scratch because there's litter, they're on the floor, they can scratch. They have spaces where they can rest comfortably. They can do dust bathing, they can patch, all those things. So we are saying, let's not say that the alternative to battery cage system is free ranging. We are saying alternative to battery cage system is deep litter system.